Meteorologist Danielle Noyes here for the 1 Degree Outside Weather Network with your Sunday evening essentials. Hope everybody had a wonderful 4th and a great weekend. Some cities and towns have fireworks tonight. We are good to go. It's going to be warm, temperatures in the 80s, cruise back into the 70s with mainly clear skies, a light southwest wind. The only exception, central and northern Maine still dealing with some areas of showers and some isolated thunder. The south coast, some patchy fog and low cloud cover that will fill in. The dew point's up. You feel it out there this evening, tonight, and it will be with us tomorrow too. That humidity, the dew point's up near 70 means it's a tropical soupy feel. Combined with the heat, we're going 90 plus in many areas across New England tomorrow. The only exception, far northern Maine, where we're actually in the 60s, and the south coast will have a little bit of relief, all relatively speaking, from Groton back over to Cape Cod. But many of our predicted heat index values go 92 to 99 degrees during the day tomorrow. So take it easy. You know the drill at this point in the summer. Hydration is key, breaks in the shade, lightweight, light colored clothing. Tuesday, not quite as hot, 85 to 90. Northern New England starts to see some less humid air come in, particularly in northern Maine. So we get that dry air to slowly sink southward during the day. It's still very soupy in a lot of central and southern New England. So that helps fuel some of the downpours and thunder risk on Tuesday. Dew point is important. The feels like forecast is important. You've heard Matt and I talk about it. We've got a 2-week dew point humidity feels like forecast as a part of our membership tier. Fuel the forecast and 4 different membership tiers total. You can find more information at membership.onedegreeoutside.com. Thanks to everybody that signed up so far. Now, we put out a social media post about Chantal that developed into a tropical storm over the weekend. Now is a depression, leftover low that's lifting northward over North Carolina and will come into Virginia by tonight and tomorrow. Again, the wind has died down, but still some heavy rainfall and localized flooding concerns down to our south. 30-mile-per-hour winds, so barely anything, right, in terms of the wind factor. But some of Chantal's leftover moisture will play a role in our weather. That's because a cold front coming in and Chantal lifting northward. So what happens here is tomorrow, with the humidity in place, we get some downpours and thunder. Not a washout of a day, but it is a day, the next several days, in fact, to be weather aware, app turned on, location, alerts turned on as well. Cold front comes in and sparks some scattered thunderstorms in northern New England. A few of those could be on the feisty side tomorrow afternoon and evening. Monday night, here comes the front. Here comes that leftover low. So that may help to enhance some rainfall in the outer Cape to Nantucket and the Vineyard, especially kind of closest to that leftover low. That front is sinking southward during the day on Tuesday and kind of slows down and stalls out. So my concern on Tuesday is any downpours and thunder that develop going to have real heavy downpours and heavy rainfall amounts with them, may result in some localized flooding as they crop up again, generally Tuesday afternoon to evening. That low goes by, the front slows down, but it's still to our south. As high pressure builds in on Wednesday, we get less humid air. It won't be as hot. There may still be an isolated shower, but Wednesday is a pretty nice day overall. The heat and humidity is going to start to approach back in here. So Thursday and into Friday, there's going to be an axis of heavy rainfall, some downpours and thunder that may sneak into western New England. So Thursday into Friday is another active stretch. Do I think it's a washout? No, but numerous thunderstorms are the story this week, kind of focused again Monday, Tuesday, little break on Wednesday, and again Thursday and Friday. So I want to show you over the next 3 days the precipitation forecast. I don't want you to look at your exact city and town, but I want this to kind of give you the feel for that, the fact that variable rainfall amounts are the story. If you're underneath some of these downpours and thunderstorms, you may get 1 to 2 inches of rain in a short period of time. Other cities and towns may get a few hundredths to a few tenths. In general, it's about 1/4 to 3/4 of an inch, but there will be some locally higher totals in some of the downpours that come through. You can track it all, of course, with our app, free on the App Store and Google Play. Pinpoint your exact location. Videos right at the top, and rep our merchandise as well. Swag.onedegreeoutside, sweatshirts, t-shirts, hats, mugs. We got bibs, gift cards, coolers on there too. Again, different sizes and colors to choose from, all at swag.onedegreeoutside.com. We'll see you with more weather tomorrow morning.